Hey, hi guys. How's everyone doing? Um, so I'm going to run through kind of the information that we'll use for this next week's assignment. It is based off of a book that I'm reading that was actually a recommendation of Maddie's mom to read this book. And so shout out to Christy Schmidt because I'm really enjoying the book. And it has a lot of interesting things that are great for marketing when you talk about focusing on your product versus focusing on your customer and what that looks like and what the difference is. So that's what we're going to focus on this week, specifically because I know a lot of our downtime right now is spent on social media. So I think it's a great opportunity for us to take a look at how businesses are posting online and what the difference is between customer focus and product focus. So first, I want to just take you guys through some different things. This is a quote from the book. When you talk more about the customer than the customer talks more about the business. And that's what this whole idea is about. So the more you focus on your customer, the more they're going to talk about your product. I'm sure any of you guys that have worked in the restaurant industry have heard this before. It's like a happy customer tells people that they're happy, but an unhappy customer tells way more people that they are unhappy. So you need to get people talking about what they're doing with your product, focusing on the customer rather than just the product itself, and then that will grow and grow and grow. So, the book also talks about what a raving fan is, and it references Chick-fil-A quite a bit. And according to Chick-fil-A, a raving fan is someone that pays full price, so they don't want to be giving discounts just to get a bigger customer base. They visit more often than a regular customer, and then they tell others about the business, but again, in a positive sense. So the more you can focus on your customers talking about your business in a positive light, the better off you're going to be. So they're becoming a fan of the customer instead of convincing the customer to become a fan of their company. So the more we can focus on our customers and why we love our customers and why we want them to be happy, the better off the customer will be, and therefore they are going to be more fans of the business. So I want to show you guys the difference between customer focus and product focus. What you'll be doing this week is you'll be choosing 3 different companies that you want to evaluate, one being a customer focus, one being a product focus, and then one that's kind of in the middle and getting to customer focus, but it's not quite there yet. So I'm going to show you my 3 examples as if you were doing the assignment. So I am going to focus on 3 different companies. I'll show you what they're doing well, and what customer focus looks like versus what product focus looks like. And then I'll talk to you about what you're going to be doing this week. So the first company that we're going to look at is Chubbies, and it is a company that makes shorts. I'm going to move over here to their website. So I want to show you a couple things on their website, and then we're going to move over to their Instagram because you guys can take a look at websites when you're evaluating this, but I really want you to focus on their social media and what's present on their social media. So I'm going to scroll down first, and Chubbies has their mission statement below. So here's what we believe. We believe in the weekend. We believe that short shorts is a redundancy. We believe in swim trunks, swim shorts, bathing suits, swimsuits, or whatever the heck else you want to call them, because we believe that if you've got a pair of those on, well, you must be doing something right. If you read more about this and you go to their website, you can tell what type of company they are and what type of customer they're targeting. So they're looking for customers that want to be comfortable as well as stylish, that live for the weekend, that want to have fun. And so as we bump over to their Instagram, you're going to see a lot of these statements live out in their Instagram. So at the end, it says onward to the weekend. So they are focused on fun, they're focused on fun fashion, and focused on their customers. So in your assignment, and I'll show you this really quick before we jump in, there's a sheet out on Schoology and you'll fill this out yourself. So you will put a customer focused company that you're going to use, a product focus, and someone that has a little bit of both. So if I was doing this assignment for myself right now, I'm going to show you my customer focus first. And so I'm going to look through Instagram. I'm going to look at Chubbies. Chubbies currently has 482,000 followers, so I would put that down in my sheet. When you guys pick yours, that's what you'll do. Now, the reason why Chubbies has such a great customer focus, if I'm looking for something like this when I'm doing this assignment, you will see that anytime they are showing their product, it is usually reposts from their customers. Okay, so for example, I saw this one the other day. To all the health professionals on the front lines, we thank you to everyone doing the right thing. So they're showing someone that posted this and reposting it. Okay. Um, if you scroll through their Instagram, you will see some really great customer focused posts. So I loved this one. Retired United States Army Staff Sergeant Travis Mills and his son Dax. So not only do they have adult clothing, both male and female, they have kids clothing as well that matches. And so another way to focus on the customer and show them through um, their Instagram. So if you scroll through this, you will see that most of their posts are things that customers have already posted wearing the product and they're reposting. It gets customers to interact with the social media pages, which only gains more followers in the long run, which is really great. So that's Chubbies. So you guys can take a look at more of that on your own. I loved this one too. So they've got put on my dad uniform today and began the journey of fatherhood. So they've got that guy's got a Chubbies shirt on. So I just love their post and it is very customer focused. So when you are looking for customer focused companies, you will be able to tell right away if it is customer focused. Now, I'm going to flip completely over to the other side and I'm going to show you who I chose for product focus. Okay, and so this is mentioned in the book. They do Chubbies, they have Lowe's in there as well. So I want to show you Lowe's. Lowe's has 741,000 followers. Now, when you compare Chubbies and Lowe's, Chubbies is a much smaller business model than your Lowe's, okay? So Lowe's should have a lot more followers than they do. If you start scrolling through Lowe's, you will see that there are lots of pictures of products. It's not going to be very customer focused. It's going to be showing a lot of the things that are offered at Lowe's. There's not people on these. It's just strictly products, okay? Now, that will go to show you they don't have as many followers as they should, probably because they're not interacting with customers as much as they could be. So there's not a lot of interaction that can go on with the picture of a bathtub, okay? People will post questions about the product that they have or whatever it is, but it doesn't encourage a lot of interaction. So that's very product focused, okay? There's nothing wrong with that, but it's not going to get your customers talking about your products and it's not going to get your customers engaged with you online. And that's where a lot of the growth from a marketing perspective is going to come from when you are growing your social media following. So if I was doing this assignment myself, I would then put Lowe's in my company. I would say that I'm focused on Instagram. And then I would put that they have 741,000 followers. And what are they doing and why isn't it working? So in my opinion, this isn't going to work well for them if they want to engage with customers because there isn't a lot to engage with. It's very product focused and it's very bland. It's not geared toward an emotional feeling or anything of the sort. So that's for product focus. Now, you guys will also find something in the middle. And so I'll show you a sample of someone that's right in the middle. This is Home Depot. Now, Home Depot has 1 million followers, okay? They have a little bit of both. So you'll see customers with products, finding the perfect plants online, oh boy. And then you also have product focus. So they are a little bit of both, okay? You will see that they do a lot more ad placement with people in it as opposed to Chubbies like we saw where it was customer taken photos. So you'll see like, oh, here we are, but this isn't something where another person probably posted it. This is Home Depot placed this there. But you will see a nice combination of both. So you see products in here. You also see people engaging with the products, okay? That's the difference. So you've got customer focus, you've got complete product focus, and then Home Depot, I would say, is right in the middle. Here's another example. So your job will be to take a look at 3 different companies and find a company that satisfies the customer focus, one that satisfies the product focus, and one that's kind of right in between, like Home Depot is. So you'll come up with your 3 own examples, and then you will fill out this, where did it go? You will fill out this sheet for those 3 companies, okay? And then at the bottom, you'll explain only from what you see on their social media, how would you describe the brand or company to a new potential customer? So if I was describing Chubbies to a new potential customer, I could take a look at their social media and see that they are all about fun, they're about family, they're about the weekend, and they're about relaxing and comfortable clothes and providing something fun to do that with. So if they're doing it right, they should be able to see their brand in Instagram or in Facebook or whatever platform you're using and know that it aligns with what they're trying to do. I hope this makes sense. My brain is a little muddled, but if you do have questions about what you need to do, you can always email me. If you want to set up a time to get online and ask any questions you might have, just let me know and I will make sure that I'm available without a screaming baby in the background. But this will be posted on Schoology under our weekly assignments, and then it will be due by next Thursday now that we're moving to a 4-day week. So I'll post this now. It will be due, well, let's just make it due on Sunday, April 12th. If you have any questions, let me know, you guys. I'm here to help you. And I hope everyone's doing well. I miss you guys very, very much. And I've been thinking a lot about you. So if you need anything, let me know, and I will talk to you soon. And also, I sent out an email about the videos that I'd like for you guys to make. Those are just for me to put a big video together for the future to show other students kind of what you guys are going through and how this is impacting you. So when you have time, go ahead and do that as well. So I will talk to you soon. Take care.